Okay, I'm heading off to the scrapyard in a few minutes here, but this is something I always do. This is number 2 circuit board. I always weigh everything before I go. Look at that. A little over 13.5 pounds. So I'll take a piece out, reset the scale, and now it's 13 pounds 2 ounces. So I'll bring this to the scrapyard. The bucket weighs 2 1/4, but the scrapyard's going to call it 2. So I'm actually ripping them off 1/4 pound. And I write everything down. I got copper bearing motor. What was that? 13 pounds of circuit board. I got 10 pounds of coated copper number 2. I already weighed that. And there's some aluminum. I got 2 of these, so 1.5 pounds. So that counts as 3 pounds. So I add that to my aluminum, 3 pounds. And this is cast aluminum. I got 27 pounds of that sitting here on my scale. And I know this scale's accurate because it was weighed, it was checked by the Department of Weights and Measures a couple years ago. But yeah, I always weigh everything before I go. You know, if the scrapyard wants to argue with me, what do we got? 10 pounds coated copper. I already wrote it down. Scrapyard wants to argue with me, I'll put it back in my truck and I'll take it somewhere else. You know, because I'm the seller, they're the customer. The customer's not always right. I got a lot more aluminum to weigh. I got this bucket, and I got all these aluminum things to weigh. But I always weigh everything before I go, and I'll argue with them. I'll throw the shit in the back of my truck and say, all right, see you later. I'll go to your competitor, jerk. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.